Hi and welcome to another unboxing video from the Switch Lab at EPS Global. So today I have an 800 gig OSFP switch from Celestica. So we've got a Tomahawk 5 ASIC inside. We also have 51.2 terabits of capacity. So we're going to open it up and have a look. Okay, so this is the DS5000 unboxed. As we said, it's an 800 gig OSFP switch. With the box comes the racking kit. We've got 2 jumper cables, a few little bits and pieces here. The box itself, nice design, what you've come to expect from Celestica, robust and quite sleek. On the back end, we've got 4 2000 watt PSUs. We also have 3 very large hot-swappable fan units. On the front end, we have 64 OSFP ports. Here is a 800 gig OSFP module, which there actually is a link in the description below for another video speaking about this. We have our management and console port, and on the port count, so it's 64 OSFP, but it can be used as 50, 100, 200 and 400, up to a maximum of 320 logical ports. Inside the unit itself, Tomahawk 5 ASIC, 51.2 terabits of capacity, Intel Xeon CPU, and we also have a BMC chip, and it also does timing, so 1588. It also does transparent clock. On the software side, this will ship with Celestica's version of Sonic, Celestica Sonic. It also is available with Enterprise Sonic. So that was a DS5000. So this 800 gig switch actually forms part of our fully validated AI solution. So if you go to www.epsglobal.ai for more information.